Hi, this is a video to show you how to get perfect abs by using some muscle rub, and by coughing. Cough your way to fitness. Basically, take a look at my big fat belly here. Yes, big fat belly. Apply the muscle rub to the sort of abdominal area like so. Apply it like that. Now, basically, cough your way to fitness. Ideal, doesn't cost a penny. Can you see the abdominal muscles gradually getting larger? You can see a six-pack is beginning to form. The latissimus muscles coming out. You're getting the biceps there coming out. Excuse me, hang on a minute. Oh. There you go. Now, check that out. Before I started coughing, I had a big fat belly. Now look, you can see it coming out. You see the pecs are coming out. See that coughing? It works. It really, really works. Anyway, tune in to my next video.